guys, if I can fix my bike, you guys can fix your bike, trust me. Although I will say I am good with I'm good with my hands, fairly good with tools and learning stuff, but I really don't have any knowledge of, you know, fixing motorcycles. It's more of just like, you know, finding a tutorial and making it happen from there. I did have a lot of struggles though. Shout out to NT Fairings. They had some like US stock of the fairings in my color, so they got to me really quickly, like I think 4 days, I want to say. Like, it was so fast. Shout out to him. Man, I love this bike so much. You guys don't even know. Anybody who's built or rebuilt a GSXR, I don't know if it's only on the 06, 07 side, but the rear frame, dude, what the fuck? I said the rear frame. The passenger peg? No, what am I talking about? I'm so out of it right now. let me regather my thoughts. It's the rear set, but the peg part, once you get the rear set off on the brake side, it is like one of the most difficult bolts known to man to get off. On the forums was saying, like, dude, it's like one of the most difficult. It's a pain in the ass. I don't know what kind of like Loctite they use on it. That shit took an entire day to do. Just that bolt. I was so upset. Damn, she sounds so good. Oh man, who is this guy? Oh, shout out to them. We got Rimuru, the frog chick. I'm pretty sure that is... Damn, I gotta get better on my anime. I already knew how that one was gonna go, so I was like, let me just slow down. But yeah. If I can work on my bike, you guys can work on your bike. You can rebuild bikes, as long as, at least for me right now, it seems like as long as it's not like engine work, I'm straight. Even some of the electrical stuff isn't too hard to do, so you guys can definitely do it yourself. Don't look at your project bikes or anything and lose hope. You guys can definitely do it if I can do it. I got like a soldering iron, like I learned how to rewire. Like, man, I should have been an electrician, dude. I'm actually really good at wiring stuff up. Like, oddly good at wiring stuff. And I did watch like I did watch a good amount of videos though for like the brakes, because I wanted to make sure I had these brakes right. Even then, you know, if you're not comfortable with it, like, do it yourself, but then go into like a you know, go into a shop and have them like look over your brakes and stuff. Make sure you got that right. You don't want to be messing around. Like, there's a little tool in here that make sure like the pin is set to a certain distance. Like you don't want to mess that up and have your brakes lock up on you while you're riding. Like that's not what you want. Also, yo, if you guys motovlog at all or anything with the GoPro, get this GoPro remote, man. This thing is a lifesaver. Like it's so clutch, it's so easy to use. Shout out to my boy Greg, he actually like got me one, and so I'm super appreciative for that, because I never was like, I'm so used to just clicking my phone, but I mean my my GoPro, but this actually is way better. Also, yo, let me do some little shout outs, man. Shout out to everybody who supported the build, just with like, you know, words of wisdom, kindness, and all that stuff. Shout out to Sazan Moto. Shout out to my boy, you already know him, 6 Gear Cutlow, check him out. They're all growing really fast, we're all coming up. Bro, never ceases, man. Literally all the time in the world to just look, just look, man. Like that's all you have to do is just look. Check the mirrors. That's what they're there for. Feels good to ride, you know. I'm not gonna let that, you know, hamper my my ride today. It's a lovely day. Beautiful day in Charlotte. We're gonna make the most out of it. Also, I think my plate's a little lower. I'm gonna have to tuck it tuck it some more. You know what I'm saying? I gotta tuck it a little bit just so we don't get caught out here. Okay, get caught lagging out here. I will say though, now that I rebuilt it, like I really just be tossing this thing now, man. You kind of lose that like, yeah, this is still my bike, this is still my baby, but it's like I know I can give her the beans now. I can really go ham with her now and not even worry. Like, yeah, I mean, I just have that kind of confidence now. I wish I had cruise control though. Everybody I see who like does like any moto vlogs and they're kind of like doing this, talking and stuff, I'm like, damn, like I need to get some cruise control. Man, I love this remote, dude. You just tap that button and it's on. You're recording. It just works so well. It's so convenient. Look at that thing. It's like tucked. It's in the perfect spot. It fits on the triple tree perfect. You don't even have to do much. You just pop your thumb on there, use the left hand, whatever you want to do, man. You're set. You're good to go. Oh, okay. I know where I'm at. Oh, damn, they're backwards. Uh-oh. I didn't connect them right. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Oh, damn. This isn't tight anymore. Uh-oh. Oh, I have to buy a new one. I love this thing too. Capsule Corp. Shout out to anybody who knows what that reference is. I might just get like a piece of string and just tie it. Anyway, not sure if I said it or not, but I don't know when I edit this video. The only thing left to do is like the tail piece a little bit, like the back, the far back. Tail is kind of like bent, the frame of it. So I just have to get that. It's like $100. on the eBay, but the dude, he doesn't want to come down on it. It's like, bro, like, this one piece, it doesn't really cost that much, but he's like, nah, man, the price is not negotiable. I'm like, man, people are selling the whole subframe for just like a little bit more money than what you're selling this one piece at. Yeah, but he doesn't want to work with me. And yeah, it's just $100, which is like not bad, but bro, when you've already you spent, like, you know, almost $1,000 altogether rebuilding. $100 start to matter. So I'll get that piece eventually. I mainly just got everything, like, enough of everything to make sure, like, it's rideable. It's rideable and it looks presentable, at least. Until you get to the back of it, and you're like, damn, bro, that ass kind of tooted up wrong. But it is what it is. It's so weird, bro. I used to come up here all the time, man. And without the bike, bro, without the bike, I honestly didn't go out as much. Like, I didn't care to go out. It's so weird, bro. And I honestly, I didn't really like that about myself. Like, has the bike really taken over my, like, headspace to that extent? Like, that it's really, like, dampening my emotions like that? And it did. Honestly, man, if I wasn't riding, like, I didn't really care to go out. Like, I didn't go out because I couldn't ride. So, and I wasn't depressed, but my God, was I not happy. Ooh. Make sure that thing wasn't about to, I was like waiting, like, is this thing about to karate chop me? Always lock your bike. At least I started doing that, just because, like, some people like to, like, mess with it if you're not around, and I'd rather I'm not be able to turn the handlebars, make it fall or anything like that. But I'll catch you guys in a few. Bro, why do people do that? Like, why do you turn into, like, the farthest lane, bro? Like, I swear to God. So good to ride, bro. Holy crap, it feels so good. Let me chill out. Let me chill out. Hey, hey. I be dogging this girl out, bro. Man, that's about to be bad. Oh shit. That was oh. Maybe I ride a little too crazy. Maybe I don't. No, I need to chill out. And this is why I feel like I need to go to the track. Because I can get wild and I don't have to worry about the cars. Like, that car, I mean, arguably, I'm technically not in the wrong. I'm riding a little aggressive, but that car was in the wrong. They're about to cut over 2 lanes to hit that turn, to hit that exit for the highway. So, like, even if it would have been their fault, but still, I would have been fucked up. So, I might chill out. I'm gonna chill out for a little bit.